Have you ever come across these situations? You forget your phone's passcode, but it's still not correct after a few tries, and the iPhone locks the phone and you can't get in. Or maybe you bought an iPhone from the secondhand market, but a passcode lock prevents you from using your new iPhone. If you are struggling with these situations, you are at the right place. In this video, I will show you practical methods to help you factory reset a locked iPhone even without a password. iMyFonefixppo, a powerful tool to help you factory reset your device and bypass the passcode with just a few clicks. With iMyFonefixppo, you can reset your iDevice without passcode, fix iPhone stuck on recovery SOS mode issues, downgrade or upgrade the iOS version, etc. Let's see how to use iMyFonefixppo to unlock your device. Step 1. Download and install the program on your PC and launch it. Select Reset iDevices on the screen. Step 2. Choose Hard Reset and connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 3. Back up your iPhone when prompted. Step 4. Click the download button to get the firmware. Step 5. When the firmware download finishes, click the Start button. During the process, put your device into DFU recovery mode. Follow the guide shown on the screen. Finally, your locked iPhone is reset, and you can use it as a brand new one. If you're interested, click the link on the description to have a try.